How to transfer money from American Express to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to link and transfer money from American Express to Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application. This brings you to the main homepage, the central screen where you can view your balance and navigate your account preferences. Next, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to enter the profile section. This is the area where you can manage your cash tag, personal details, and security features. After that, scroll down the page to the Account and Settings category and tap Linked Banks to view, edit, or add your connected debit cards and bank accounts. This page lets you add your bank. On the Add a Bank Using Your Debit Card screen, if you don't have a physical debit card on hand or prefer to link a checking account directly, tap No Card at the bottom to switch to bank linking. On this page, you are on the Link Your Bank Account screen. Here, you will see how Cash App uses Plaid, a secure service that bridges your bank and Cash App to transfer funds, check balances, and prevent fraud without sharing your credentials. Review the details and tap Continue. Now we are on the Select Your Institution screen. Here, you can locate American Express from the list of major banks, or use the search bar at the top to type it in and select it. After that, you will land on the Authenticate with American Express screen. Cash App outlines the 3 steps to link your account: opening the portal, logging in, and returning to the app. Tap Continue to proceed. Finally, on this page, you are on the official American Express login portal. Enter your user ID and password, then tap Login to authorize and complete the connection. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to transfer money from American Express to Cash App.